Hey guys, come on out to my open house. I am out here at 10515 Wrangell Circle in 80924. This house, turn this around for you. This house is in Bradley Ranch. It is on the north side of town. It's 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, 3-car garage, over 3,000 square feet. It is a ranch built in 2020. And guys, this is absolutely gorgeous. It has brand new blonde plank flooring. Here's the primary bedroom. We do have vaulted ceilings in this house. Double vanity. Walk-in shower, separate tub. This one's really gorgeous, guys. And let me show you what's really cool is on the deck, you've got a perfect shot of Pikes Peak. If you want to sit out here and entertain, there is Pikes Peak right there. And it's actually a little hazy. That is on a sunny day going to be absolutely perfect shot of Pikes Peak. So this house does have a sprinkler system. It does have quartz countertops in the kitchen. All the stainless steel appliances are staying, including washer and dryer. And I did want to point out, by the way, there are 3 bedrooms on the main. We just went in the primary. There's number 2 and number 3, all right here on the main level. And then the basement is really large. This basement would be perfect for a media room, or it would even fit a pool table. It would fit gym equipment. It's really large and open down here. There's lots of things you can do with this space. Got great recessed lighting, and it's a walkout. So you can walk right outside directly from the basement. And then of course there's a ton of storage. Here's your mechanical and storage. Another bathroom, more storage, and 2 more bedrooms. So again, these 2 bedrooms and bath are in the basement. 3 bedrooms upstairs, 2 down here, total of 5. So yeah, this house has great potential. I'm doing a house right now. I will be here till 2 o'clock. Come on by, come see this gorgeous house. Come see me. Talk to you guys soon.